Let's talk about building wealth, $1 million to be exact, and why aiming for this by the time you hit 30 is a goal worth chasing. Financial independence isn't about bragging rights, it's about freedom. Freedom to choose a career you love, even if it doesn't pay a fortune. Imagine waking up every day excited to go to work because it's something you genuinely enjoy. Freedom to travel the world, pursue passions, or simply enjoy life on your own terms. Picture yourself exploring new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and making memories that last a lifetime. Reaching this milestone by 30 gives you a powerful advantage time. Time to recover from financial mistakes, time to take calculated risks, and time to watch your investments grow. You'll have decades for your investments to grow, turning those early sacrifices into a substantial nest egg. The magic of compound interest works best when you start early. Imagine the possibilities of having $1 million at your fingertips while your peers are just starting to think about serious savings. You could be investing in real estate, starting your own business, or even retiring early. This isn't about deprivation, it's about smart choices. It's about prioritizing your spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to save and invest wisely. It's about understanding your finances, making your money work for you, and building a life you love. Educate yourself on different investment options, seek advice from financial experts, and stay committed to your financial goals. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. The journey to $1 million by 30 is challenging but incredibly rewarding. With determination, discipline, and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it grows bigger and bigger, picking up speed and momentum. This simple yet powerful concept is a perfect analogy for understanding how compound interest works in the financial world. That's compound interest in action. Just like the snowball, your money can grow exponentially over time. In simple terms, it means your money earns money, and then that earned money earns even more money. This cycle continues, creating a snowball effect that can lead to substantial growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to snowball into a significant sum. Even small, consistent investments can grow into a large amount over the years. Let's say you invest $5,000 annually, earning a 7% average return. This might seem modest, but the magic lies in the compounding effect over time. Starting at age 20, you'd have over $1 million by 60, thanks to the power of compound interest working in your favor for 40 years. However, starting at 30 means missing out on over $400,000 in potential growth. This demonstrates the significant impact of starting early. That's the power of compounding. It's a force that can turn modest savings into substantial wealth over time. It's not just about how much you save, but when you start saving it. The sooner the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth through compound interest. So, start today and let your money work for you. Ever wonder how some people effortlessly manage to save while others struggle? The secret? They pay themselves first. This isn't about putting aside leftovers at the end of the month. It's about making saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts the day you get paid. Treat it like a bill you can't afford to miss. Start with a manageable amount, even 5% of your income, and gradually increase it as your earnings grow. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings will accumulate when you automate the process. Budgeting often gets a bad rap, conjuring images of restrictive spreadsheets and penny pinching. But it doesn't have to be that way. Effective budgeting is about understanding where your money is going and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. Maybe it's eating out less, finding cheaper entertainment options, or negotiating better rates on bills. The key is to prioritize what truly matters to you. If travel is your passion, allocate more towards that and cut back elsewhere. Remember, a budget shouldn't feel like a punishment. It should empower you to design your ideal life. Section 5. Supercharging savings, high-yield savings accounts and beyond. Don't settle for paltry interest rates offered by traditional banks. Your savings deserve better. Explore high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts that offer significantly higher returns. While interest rates fluctuate, even a small percentage difference can make a big impact over time. Shop around, compare rates, and don't be afraid to move your money to find the best deals. Remember, every bit of interest earned brings you closer to that million-dollar goal. Section 6, the world of investing, from index funds to real estate. In this section, we'll explore the journey of growing your wealth through various investment avenues. Saving alone won't get you to $1 million quickly. While saving is important, it's just the first step in building your financial future. You need to put your money to work in the markets. Investing allows your money to grow exponentially over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become a successful investor. Start with low-cost index funds, which are like baskets of stocks that track a particular market index, like the S&P 500. These funds are managed passively, meaning they aim to replicate the performance of a specific index. They offer instant diversification and have historically provided solid returns over the long term. Diversification helps spread risk, making your investment portfolio more resilient to market fluctuations. As you gain more knowledge and confidence, you can explore other investment options like individual stocks, bonds, or even real estate. Each of these options comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Remember, investing involves risk, but it's also the most effective way to grow your wealth over time. By staying informed and making smart choices, you can navigate the world of investing and achieve your financial goals. Section 7. Side hustle power, fueling your portfolio growth. Want to accelerate your journey to $1 million? Consider adding a side hustle to your income stream. The gig economy offers endless opportunities to monetize your skills and passions. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, selling handmade crafts online, or driving for a ride-sharing service, a side hustle can provide extra cash flow that you can directly funnel into your investments. Not only will this boost your savings rate, but it also allows you to explore new interests and potentially turn your passions into profitable ventures. Section 8. Mastering your mindset, discipline, patience, and avoiding shiny objects. Building wealth isn't just about financial strategies, it's also about cultivating the right mindset. It requires discipline to stick to your budget and resist impulsive purchases. It demands patience to stay the course, even when the market throws curveballs your way. And it means avoiding the allure of get-rich-quick schemes or constantly chasing the latest investment fads. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals, ignore the noise, and trust in the power of consistent effort and smart financial decisions. Section 9. Learning from the best success stories and inspiration. Don't underestimate the power of learning from others who've achieved what you aspire to. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts who resonate with you. Seek out stories of individuals who built their wealth from scratch, overcame financial challenges, or achieved financial independence at a young age. These stories can provide valuable lessons, practical tips, and a healthy dose of inspiration to fuel your own journey. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. Section 10. Your $1 million action plan. Taking the first steps today. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Start by setting clear financial goals. How much do you want to save each month? What investment accounts will you open? What side hustle opportunities will you explore? Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. Automate your savings and investments. Track your spending and identify areas for improvement. Educate yourself about different investment options. And most importantly, get started today. Even small steps in the right direction can lead to significant results over time. Section 11. Conclusion. The journey to financial freedom starts now. Building $1 million portfolio by 30 is an ambitious goal, but it's entirely achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and consistent effort. It's about making conscious choices today to secure your financial future and create a life of freedom and abundance. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and let the magic of compounding, smart investing, and disciplined saving guide you towards your $1 million dream. The path to financial freedom awaits.